What's up YouTube, LV3 here. So today, like I said before, I'm going to be putting a quick release on the tourpack. And I guess I'll just show you guys how it's done. That way if you have to do it, you got any questions, you can do it. It's pretty straightforward, I'm thinking, but I'm going to show you guys in here. There's a lot of wires that can get in the way, and you just kind of got to move them, and I think you'll be okay. But I'm going to go through it anyway. Just bear with me, and I guess we'll be learning it together. Alright, so like I said before, there's a bunch of stuff on here. These are all your plugs for your lights, your antennas. The speaker plugs are in the pods themselves. This thing weighs probably an extra 50 pounds, to be honest with you. Like, I haven't weighed it, but I'm sure it's close to 50 pounds. So I actually like riding without it. But I'm going to be going to Daytona soon, and I would like to put my stuff in there, all my luggage, and then I'll leave it in the room. But this has the power locks and all that, so it adds a little more to it. All right, here goes the bottom end. So I'm thinking it's just these 4 bolts here that come off. Let's see if it's the ones that are on the plate, but I figure I'll show you guys the bottom end. It's 7/16 for the inside, 4 bolts here. Okay, for these 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. There's a ground on that 4th one, and let me set you down and work. If you tilt it sideways like this, you can kind of hold both sides. Okay. This piece has your license plate mount and your amp mount, and they just kind of go together, which I'm probably not going to remount. I'm not going to remount the amp outside, even though it's made for that. I don't want to do that. And then the screws or the nuts that were holding the amps in, I'm going to use to put it all together. Okay, and then shockingly enough, this actually does line up pretty decent to all the holes. And yeah, so it goes, this is your front, just make sure you don't mount it backwards. Alright, and that's really it. That's video is probably going to be a little shorter. I'll show you guys how I put it on the bike. It's heavy, this thing is really heavy. But that's really it, nothing to it. It's super easy. Oh, so the other thing I have to do is, you see all my wires in here, I got to feed them back through, okay, or connect them back up, whichever. Alright, so that's what it looks like on again, and it goes pretty good. I'm having issues with one side with this locker here, like it doesn't want to lock. Literally, you just tuck it in and put down, and I'll show you guys. I'm going to do it right now again. I'll show you. Man, that's tight. So I'm gonna have to figure out why it's super tight like that. But that thing is freaking tight. But anyway, see, to get it off, you just lift it. Pull it back to put it on. Okay, just drop it straight down, then you lift it, that side goes good. Alright, so what it is this arm is kind of kicked out some, so it won't let it go all the way, but I just got it. Probably going to leave it on anyway. So, yep, So now my next mission is to get rid of this, put a nice mounting plate there, and I don't want nothing attached really to that because I want everything to just come off when I want it to. So yeah, so that's it. Like me and my buddy were talking about, he has the same issue on his quick release tour pack too. Well, he doesn't have a tour pack, but he has a quick release kit. If you want stuff that fits good, buy Harley stuff. If you want a deal and you're gonna deal with it, get aftermarket. We got that on Amazon. So for 80 bucks or 100, for 80 you can buy the quick release that goes on the rear fender, and then you could buy your tour pack mount after for I think like another 100 or so. So I'm gonna leave it set up and go from there. So I'll try to do probably another weekend the wiring, so that way it looks a lot better and I don't have to keep playing with it. But for now I'm not doing that today. So thank you guys for watching. Trying to get all my gear lined up right so I can put more stuff out, more content out. And please hit that like, subscribe, turn your notification bell on, that way you know when I got some more stuff coming out. Thank you guys for watching.